Recording. Introduce your team.
Okay, so hello, my name is Zeke Magay and I am representing Team Bantalay from Tuguegarao City Science High School.
How did you come up with your design proposal?
Oh, so I'd say that coming up with our design proposal was the hardest thing in this journey so far because we had to create a multitude of titles and submit it to our advisor, and every single title got rejected. So at that point, we didn't know what to do at that point. So and eventually, our one of my group mates' relatives, who was a rice farmer, reached out to us and said, "Maybe you could help me with my pest problem." And that is where we had that great light bulb moment, um, which eventually became into our design proposal, the Bantalay, which aims to help rice farmers capture their rice blackbugs and other pests in the rice field.
What was the most rewarding part of the competition for you?
I'd say that the most rewarding part in this competition is the experience. You see, this is our first time competing in this competition, and we gained so many memories and experiences along the way. And I'd say that that's the most rewarding part of joining in this competition. We learned so many lessons, we encountered so many challenges, but in the end, this competition is something that I truly treasure. Yes.
And who are the people you want to thank?
I'd like to first of all, I'd like to thank the Lord our God for providing us this opportunity and leading us into third place. And I'd like to thank my family for always supporting me. And I'd also like to thank my best friend in heaven, Jerf James Miguel. This win is for you.
What are your plans moving forward after you win at South for tomorrow?
So now that we've achieved this milestone at Solve for Tomorrow, we aim to execute the pre-made plans that we have for our study. So firstly, we approach multiple agencies based here around the Philippines to help us further refine our technology and expand it further so that it becomes more farmer accessible. And second, we aim to put Bantala into the rice fields themselves. We aim to help a lot of farmers with Bantalay so that they may never think about rice pests again.
And lastly, what is your message to students who want to join the next South for tomorrow?
So if there was one thing I'd like to say to all of the students who wants to join this competition, I'd say that I'd say don't give up and be strong. I know it's cliche, but those are the words of my mother that carried us to third place today. Because there is no journey on earth without obstacles. You will encounter so many obstacles, so many insecurities along this journey. And the words that really help us throughout this competition is just be strong and never give up.
Take a look, sir.